friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to Today, I am participating in another cookie collaboration with my good friend Kiwanna over in Kiwanna's Kitchen. We're both going to make sugar cookies for our collaboration. And y'all go check out Kiwanna. She is awesome. She's a great cook and a great baker, and she makes some delicious recipes. I'll post link to her channel and to her sugar cookie recipe down below in the description box. These sugar cookies are so buttery, chewy, delicious, and we're going to put a cream cheese frosting on them. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And these cookies would be great to make with your kids, and these would be perfect for your holiday and Christmas parties coming up. Everybody will enjoy them. So grab your cookie cutters, your flour, and your sugar. Because we're about to bake some sugar cookie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 stick, which is a ½ cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, and a ½ cup of butter flavored shortening. And we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar and a ½ cup of packed light brown sugar. We're going to cream this until it's nice and fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 2 eggs at room temperature. We're going to add them 1 at a time. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a ½ teaspoon of almond extract, and blend all these together until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in the dry ingredients. I have 3 cups of self-rising flour plus a ½ teaspoon of baking soda that's sifted. We're going to add this in real slowly. Blend it until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up my cookie dough. Now we're ready to cover it up. Now we're going to place our sugar cookie dough into the refrigerator, and we're going to let it chill until it's firm for about 2 hours. Alright my friends, our dough is nice and chill, so now I put it on the flour surface, and we're going to knead it a few times. Ooh, this is a soft cookie dough. Give it a nice massage. And using my rolling pan, we're going to roll into 1/4 inch thick. Alright my friends, I got my cookie dough roll out, so now we're ready to cut them. I'm using the gingerbread man and the snowman. Like so. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting the rest of my cookies, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I through cutting all my cookies, and I put them on my 9x13 inch long cookie sheet that I lined with foil, or you can use parchment paper. Now we're ready to bake them. We're going to bake it in the preheated 400-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 6 to 8 minutes until the edges is lightly brown. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, I have taken my sugar cookies out of the oven. Look how nice and golden brown that looks. Alright, so now we're going to let the cookies cool completely, and then we'll be ready to ice them. Alright my friends, now we're ready to ice the cookies. And over here I made some cream cheese icing. I'll put a recipe to that down below in the description box. And I used some green food coloring and some red food coloring. I'm going to color the gingerbread green and the snowmen red. So we're going to take a gingerbread, and we're just going to frost them on the cookie. And you can decorate it like it. I'm just keeping it simple. And I have some red and green white sprinkles. And we're just going to sprinkle them right on the cookie. After all, it's Christmas time. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish icing my cookies, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Soft, cut out sugar cookies. Don't they look gorgeous and festive? Looks amazing. All right, my friends, I picked me up a plate. And you can't have cookies without milk. All right, here we go. Let's see which one. I think I'll take Mr. Snowman right here. Look at that. OMG. These are so soft. Nice texture. Oh, I love that cream cheese icing on them too. These sugar cookies are the bomb.com, my friends. Y'all will love this recipe. Kids will love them, and Santa Claus. This deserves another bite. Sugar cookie-licious. Wow, Kiwanna, I had a wonderful time doing this collaboration with you. And again, I'll post a link to her channel and to her sugar cookie recipe down below in the description box. And tell her Ellen sent you. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.